In this video, I'm going to show you how to number items in Bluebeam. Now, there's actually a bunch of different ways you can do this, but the one I'm going to show you right now is, I do think, the quickest and the easiest to actually achieve this. So first, open up the Tools chest over here on the left-hand side. So click on Tool chest. If you don't see it, go to the window up top, hover over Panels, and then here click on Tool chest, or just press Alt plus X on your keyboard, and it's going to pop up here on the left-hand side. Now, from here, the easiest way to do it is by selecting any of these. So either this red one where it says 1, the yellow one, or the blue one over here. I'm just going to select this red one right now. And whenever you select it, you'll be able to see it says 1 next to my mouse cursor. So if I go ahead and, for example, if I start numbering this meeting rooms over here, I can click on over here, and that's now 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can just keep on clicking, and as you can see, it's going to keep on adding different numbers, and I can just number items that way very easily and quickly. Of course, I have different colors as well, and it's always going to show me how many of a specific of these colors are over here, because here it says 11, so the next one is going to be 11. That means there's currently 10 of them. Of course, I could go ahead and do these yellow ones as well, for example, and as you can see, it says 6. That means there's currently 5 because the next one is 6, and I can do the same thing for the blue one as well. Now I can close this tool chest, and down here at the bottom left it says markups. I can also open this up, and you can go ahead and basically see the counts of other different things you have put on here, and you can go ahead and kind of see how many of a specific things you have on your PDF. So for example, how much of a specific markup you have here inside your PDF. So that's also very possible, but I do think it's the easiest way to just do this by numbering items like this over here on the screen. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.